Who qualifies for the new law that Biden published yesterday with an executive order for spouses of U.S. citizens? Hi, I'm attorney Alicia Morgan, and I solve complex immigration problems in Miami, Florida, and all over the United States. We don't know everything about the law because it's not official, but we do know the basics of who should be able to qualify. First, you need to have a spouse who's a U.S. citizen, and they need to have already been your spouse, okay, as of the 17th of June, 2024. That means that you can't get married tomorrow and qualify. You can't get married on the 18th of June and qualify. You need to have already been married on June the 17th. Second is your spouse needs to be a U.S. citizen on June the 17th of 2024. They cannot now file for their citizenship, or someone who already filed for citizenship but isn't yet approved also does not qualify for the new law. The third thing is that you need to have already have the documents to prove that you had 10 years in the United States as of the 17th of June 2024. So you need to have proof of being here from the 17th of June 2014 until the day of today. We know that there also will be criminal requirements. Certain people who have certain arrests will not qualify. When we were waiting for the new law to come out about DACA, everybody was also wondering what would be the regulations. They came out with specific crimes that didn't qualify when we were talking about DACA. It was you couldn't have serious misdemeanors, which they classified as specific crimes, including domestic violence, and DUIs didn't qualify, and you also couldn't have multiple misdemeanors. So we're expecting that something similar to DACA will come out, that they will actually specify in the law which crimes are going to not qualify at all and which crimes would need a waiver. We don't know if they will qualify if you do have any crimes with a waiver. We have to see about that. What we know is that probably you're not going to qualify if you have a deportation. If you do have a deportation, we will need to get your immigration record to see if you qualify to reopen your deportation case or apply for a waiver of that deportation in certain circumstances. So you should contact an immigration lawyer if you have a deportation or any certain crimes to see if you're going to qualify and what could be done to prepare you for the new law. If you want to know if you qualify, we are at our firm creating a list of the people who seem to qualify and then contacting them as soon as the law becomes official so that we can get a jump start on this law as soon as possible. We do know that there will be opposition to the law. There always is. As we know, the Republicans are very angry that this happened. So we need to be ready to file those cases as soon as we can to make sure that you would qualify in case there's any litigation that could stop people who had not yet filed. So give us a call or reach out to us on WhatsApp to see if we can schedule you for a meeting about the new law. If you qualify, if there's anything that needs to be done beforehand, right? This is coming out later in the summer, so we want to be ready to file your case. Give us a call, reach us out on WhatsApp at 305-501-0783 so we can get you scheduled. Right now it's only $5 to reserve the meeting. Thanks.